Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you are using any of the stock apps in Windows 11, like your clock, media player, calculator, and so on, then just to let you know that we can expect quite a major update for 7 stock apps to be rolling out in the near future, because late last week on Friday in my part of the world, Microsoft has released quite a big feature update for 7 stock apps of Windows 11, namely being the calculator, camera, clock, media player, paint, photos, and the sound recorder. So if you are using any of those apps, then just a quick video to keep you guys in the loop. Now, the updates introduce new features, accessibility enhancements, bug fixes, and reliability improvements, which according to Microsoft are designed to improve the overall Windows experience. Now, first of all, starting with the calculator, Microsoft says that the Calculator app has received several important fixes focused on reliability and accessibility. Microsoft has addressed square root calculation accuracy issues while also improving support for high contrast themes and right to left language layouts, and has also resolved launch reliability problems that could prevent the app from opening correctly in certain situations. And if you are using your camera, you will be getting access to improved zoom support and additional video resolution options. Microsoft has also improved compatibility with front-facing cameras on a wider range of devices. QR code detection also has now become smarter, making scanning more reliable and reducing incorrect detections. And moving on to the clock app, where Microsoft has introduced timer enhancements in the clock app, where timers can now continue counting after reaching 0, which allows you to see how much time has passed since a countdown expired. Microsoft says it's also added a new 15-minute snooze option for alarms, if you are using the alarms in the clock app. And the clock widget can now display up to 3 countdown timers at the same time, which according to Microsoft makes it easier to track multiple activities. And over and above the new features, Microsoft says it's implemented numerous accessibility improvements throughout the app. So, Clock app getting a bit of attention by Microsoft. And then Media Player is next up, where the app now supports custom captions that follow Windows caption settings, which provides a more personalized accessibility experience, according to Microsoft. Microsoft says it's also improved the library indexing, playlist handling, playback reliability, queue stability, and notifications for missing codecs. And the whole reason for these changes is that Microsoft says that this should help reduce playback interruptions and improve media library management. And here's one I'm happy to see, because I use Paint, which is next up, almost on a daily basis for the purpose of this channel, where Paint is adding eraser transparency controls, where Microsoft has introduced support for adjustable eraser transparency, which according to Microsoft allows more precise image modifications. And the update also addresses a variety of issues, including problems with stamp brushes, JPEG file saving, invalid image handling, selection behavior, toolbar responsiveness, layer management, and application crashes. So quite a bit of attention being given to Paint. And then next up, we have the Photos app, which I also to some degree or the other use almost on a daily basis for the purpose of this channel, where Microsoft says Photos now gains Copilot watermark controls, where you can now choose to display visible Copilot watermarks on AI-generated or AI-edited images. And the feature, it said, remains optional and provides additional transparency for AI-assisted content creation. Microsoft says it's also improved support for viewing very small images and pixel art. Additional enhancements include better keyboard navigation when selecting detected text, and broader accessibility improvements throughout the application, according to Microsoft. And then last but not least, an app which I never use, but nonetheless has received some updates in the Insider program, is the Windows Sound Recorder. With Microsoft saying that the sound recorder now fixes Bluetooth and waveform issues, where the app now correctly displays waveforms when recording using Bluetooth microphones. Microsoft says it's also resolved issues involving WAV, file markers, recording deletion errors, waveform scroll bar behavior, and a memory leak. And these fixes, according to Microsoft, should improve long recording sessions and provide more accurate visual feedback during playback. So, as mentioned, we can expect quite a major update coming to those 7 inbox apps in the near future in the stable channel. All of that now have currently been tested in the insider program, so it's only a matter of time before that makes its way down to stable. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.